You good? So here we are at Cloud 9, legendary Cloud 9, which is, the waves are still there, the boardwalk is totally gone. There's a little treat on Christmas Day, cracker, tuna on it. So here we are, day 7, it's been 1 week, it's been a week. 23rd. It's been a week. Till wants some coconut water. This is our lunch, our Christmas lunch today. It's mayonnaise sandwich. Men of their word. The Coast Guards are back with food and water. So it's day whatever. I'm on top of the world. It's raining and I'm now setting up a water catchment system. Just with a little bit of metal. I really tasted turkey and cranberry sauce. So it's waiting next to the garbage pile. Everywhere's the garbage pile at the moment, to be honest with you. So. Merry Christmas. You guys are way better than the army. Whoa, look at that rice. Oh, thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Thanks, Ramos. Yeah, we thought we had it bad. And we weren't really making much progress for the last week, but it's going to take years. It really is going to take years, I think. No. Peas and roast potatoes and Yorkshire puddings and gravy. Good. Come on, guys, let's go. Don't bring that cheese grater. Just chuck it on there. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you guys are awesome. Yeah, thank you. Tea? Cracker?